Sir, I'll just start with, I just spoke about the property insurance. So help us understand what actually is property insurance, what all is covered under the property insurance, and who all can buy property insurance.
See, whosoever is owning a property can buy property insurance, be it a small flat or an industry or a godown or a shop or a clinic, doctor's clinic. Everything can be insured under what we call property insurance. So, I mean, right from a homeowner, flat owner, a shop owner, a business owner, a factory owner, all of them can buy property insurance.
Okay, and it covers what all comes under the property insurance, like fire, burglary.
Yes. What we call it as a fire and allied perils. So standard policies were there. FSSP used to call. Now we have different kinds of uniformity is there in the market. We have the policy series named as with Bharat. So Bharat, Grih Raksha, Sukshma, Laghu, all those policies are there with different coverages, and for different segment of clientele, those policies are there. So all the risk like fire, cyclone, inundation, flood, and earthquake, everything is covered in that. I mean, it's a named peril policy basically. Named peril policy.
Okay.
I mean, it's not an all-risk policy under fire. We also have industrial all-risk policy, wherein, I mean, all the risks are covered barring the exclusions. There we specifically exclude certain risks. Whatsoever is stated as exclusion, those are not covered, otherwise it is covered. So the benefit of having all-risk cover is that in one single policy, we are having multiple risks covered. Like also the breakdown is covered in all-risk policy.
Breakdown, okay.
Of machinery. Suppose there is a factory, there are machinery. So there is not only fire risk, but also breakdown risk.
Breakdown risk.
Loss of profit is there. Okay. So all that comes in single policy that we call industrial
all-risk policy, and which is part of property insurance only.
It is the part of property insurance.
And what kind of exclusions which are, although it's covered in the all-risk policy, but exclusion in a normal property insurance, that fire policy is there?
So, I mean, like fire policy does not cover burglary. It does not cover, I mean, maybe terrorism unless you take it as an extra cover. It does not cover that. So, it is not a misnomer. Industrial all-risk policy is basically all-risk, but there are named exclusions, and the customer has the option to select the segments. Whatsoever sections he is going to select, those things are covered in that policy.
Okay.